A roller coaster is designed such that riders experience weightlessness as they go round the top of a hill whose radius of curvature is 20 meters. Speed of the car at the top of the hill is between which of these values? G is equal to 10 meter per second square. As you can see in this photograph, that roller coaster is going at the topmost point of that curvature. So here on the right side diagram, you see this is our roller coaster car, which is moving with some velocity v, and we have to find out what is the velocity v at this topmost point if the passengers have to feel weightlessness. First of all, let us draw the free body diagram of this car. So suppose the mass of this car is m, including all the passengers. So gravitational force mg acts downwards toward the center of the circle, and normal reaction will be acting in the upward direction. And because it is moving on a circle, we can say that due to its motion on this circle, the car will experience a centripetal force whose direction will be toward the center of the circle. This is our centripetal acceleration, which is equal to v square by r. Now, first of all, let us find out what is the net centripetal force acting on the car. The net centripetal force is mg minus normal reaction. Mg is acting toward the center of the circle and normal reaction is acting away from the center of the circle. So the net centripetal force is mg minus n. Net force toward the center of the circle is mg minus n. Now we can apply the Newton's second law. Newton's second law toward the center of the circle, sigma fc, net force toward the center, is equal to mass into AC, mass into acceleration toward the center, or we can say the net centripetal force is equal to mass into centripetal acceleration. So write down here mg minus n is equal to m into v square by r. The radius is given the question as 20 meters. Now we have to obtain weightlessness. The passengers in the car have to feel weightlessness. That means this car should begin to fly in the air freely. It should freely fall under gravity. So for that condition, the normal reaction should become zero because it will lose contact from the rails. So when we say that we need weightlessness, so weightlessness will be felt when the car loses contact from the rails, In that case, the car will be flying in the air, like freely falling under gravity without any contact with the rails. So when the contact will be lost, then you know that normal reaction becomes zero. So this implies that normal reaction becomes zero. So from the above equation, if you put normal reaction 0, you will get mg is equal to mv square by r. Cancel mass m from both sides, and we will get velocity v is equal to square root of r into g, which is square root of radius is given as 20, g is equal to 10, root of 200. Velocity v is equal to square root of 200, and this can be written as 10 root 2. Root 2 is 1.414. So the answer is 14.14 meter per second. So the option correct will be, it is between 14 and 15 meter per second. Option C is the answer of this question. It is more than 14 but less than 15.